Here are some tips for the ab wheel exercise. Now, this exercise is not intended for beginners, so if you are a beginner, please do not do this exercise as you will get injured. This one is basically targeting all your core area, meaning your upper, middle, lower abdominal, as well as your shoulders as the stabilizers and your spine. Now, this one, as you can see, is not intended to go all the way down. Do not hit flat on the floor. Make sure your shoulders are strong all the way down. And as you see, do not touch the floor. Maintain a steady posture. Core is activated. And push with your shoulders all the way up. Make sure you breathe when you push from here. Breathe, exhale. Then when you go down, you inhale. When you go up, you exhale. This is the ab wheel exercise.